Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful look for fall. Of course it's for fall. We're finally here. And it's using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadows in Berry Rad. I had gotten a request a couple times to do some eyeshadow looks using the Bite Size shadows. So here we are, and this is the one I chose to pick up at Walmart, so I hope you'll enjoy the tutorial. So I prime my eyes with the Maybelline Master Prime Eyeshadow Primer, and I have powder to catch fallout. And of course, like said before, I am using the Bite Size eyeshadow in Berry Bad. I thought this one was so fitting for fall. I'm picking up the first matte shade in the palette, and I'm going to buff that in the crease. I'm going to build that up a bit. I did not expect the pigmentation on these to be this great. I'd seen reviews and tutorials, but to use something in person for yourself is totally a different story, and these eyeshadows are amazing for $3. So I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, which is the second matte, and I'm going to place that in my outer corner. And each eye for this look took about 3 minutes. So a very quick look, but put together look, if that makes any sense. Do you get what I'm trying to say? And I'm just patting that in the outer corner. And I'm going to build that up too, even though this shade is really pigmented. And there's not a ton of fallout with this eyeshadow palette either. There is some, but not a ton. It's mostly from those metallic shimmery shades that I've seen the most fallout from. So you gotta be careful with it. Wear some powder under your eye to catch that fallout as you wipe it away and have shimmery streaks on your face. So buff the two shades together in the crease, going against the crease line of the darker shade, and just keep going over that to blend those two together. And if you have green eyes, this is another look that is going to make your green eyes pop. I'm taking the shade that's kind of looks like a bronzy shade in the palette, and I'm placing that on an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be placing that on my lid. You could also pick this up on your brush, wet it for a more intense shimmery vibe going on there, more metallic. Foil that eyeshadow, but just for a quick and easy kind of look, I'm just placing it on the lid. I think it would look very beautiful foiled. I'm taking the AOA Studios Perfect Pressed Powder, and this is the lightest shade they have to offer. It's on shopmissday.com, and I'm using that for a highlight. And the reason why is look how well that works as like a magic eraser is what I like to use or call my highlight sometimes. So I place it and blend down the shades, and if the shade went too high, it usually fixes it. And this is like the perfect powder for that. A lot of eyeshadows and stuff I've used definitely work well for that, but this works the best as in bringing down shadows, blending them out, and also highlighting, because it's just a light vanilla matte kind of shade, skin tone shade. I am placing the darkest shade in the palette on the lower lash line, and I'm not going to go crazy with it. I'm not going to buff it out. I'm just placing some shadow there, giving some more depth and definition to the eye. And this is Believe Beauty's Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. Eyeliner's awesome for $3.50. This is the NYX Matte Eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner. I just picked this up and I'm a fan. It is not super difficult to get off, but it stays put all day long. So good. That's a WetnWild brow highlighter, and I'm using that in the waterline because it's like a pinkish kind of tone highlighter, and I like that in the waterline. It's not super stark like a white, and that's Hard Candy Tiki, and it's just a highlighter that I'm placing in the inner corner. It actually says it's a bronzer. It's too light and shimmery to be a bronzer, but I used it in the inner corner. Now, Clinique High Impact Mascara, a couple coats of that, and the eyes are done. So easy and simple in my opinion. We're going to be taking the Marilyn Monroe Hard Candy Lipstick. This is the satin lipstick in nude. Very, very beautiful lipstick, and I'm just hauled this recently and I wanted to showcase it in the video. That's why I showed it up close. It's so pretty. They have this nude shade and a red available in the new Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe collection. Really awesome formula as well. Nice and creamy. So that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more looks using the Berry Bad eyeshadow palette, because I plan on trying to create at least 3 looks using this palette for you. I hope you enjoyed it, found the tutorial helpful. We'll try the look out for yourself. I hope you own this palette already. Thank you for the request. Always check that description box, you guys, for a product list as well as other links. Check the cards. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.